I'm finna get in this thing. Please pray for me, y'all, that I don't have no feet. I feel like somebody done uppercut me like 50 times. Oh my God. It's just you and me. Is it moving?
Oh no. Oh, somebody killed me. Oh my God, look how big it is.
No wonder. I heard them doing that last night.
Okay.
It was last night. Somebody was like slamming on it real bad. I said, what are they doing?
So was I here last night?
Somebody was out here last night, and that's what it was. I heard them like, and I mean, hitting it hard. Even they was hitting the
I
rails.
ain't never in my life. And it's huge.
Come on, Ken, you got to
Go.
It's dead, and you don't want to go. They looked at us like, what's wrong?
Oh man, look. Oh my God.
Y'all, look at this snake.
Oh man, baby, I'm finna run.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, look at what we have to get up to this morning. I was like, why the hell is the trash guy getting the trash shit? It was like 7:30, 8 o'clock. Shit.
Why everything gotta be by our goddamn
I know,
right?
right? Frogs, lizards, snakes, baby snakes. Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. I am here. Finna do this oxygen thing. Y'all pray for me, please. This is the IV place. Y'all really can't see much right now, but I'm in the room. They just took my blood pressure, and I'm finna get in this thing. Please pray for me, y'all, that I don't have no feet.
Here, you just put it back together.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's that. That's going to sit in here. Second thing, do you have our phone numbers?
No.
Okay.
Get to know me, tapping into that good energy. And I'm more for something carefree. Pour a drink, have a seat next to me. Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. Why can't we just start the plan? No more holding back. Done with waiting, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that?
Y'all, it's shit all over the place. When I tell you, we're packing. We're trying. That's Ken's suitcase. That's my suitcase. I got packages that was just delivered. Oh my God, y'all just came from that damn oxygen chamber. Let me tell you what. Oh God. Oh Lord, have mercy. Y'all, look at me. Look at my wig. Baby. Let me tell you. Look at my wig. Look at my wig. Okay, y'all. So I'm back from the oxygen chamber. And y'all, I'm not feeling too good, but I'm feeling better slowly, if that makes sense. Slowly, but surely. About to make me some salad. No, maybe some shrimp with some zucchini noodles for the eat. So y'all, when I tell y'all that damn chamber ain't no joke, on your damn head, ears, neck, throat, jaws. Y'all, my shrimp. No. Okay, anyway, so I still feel bad. I don't feel as bad as I did when it first started and right afterwards. But that pain is no joke at all. And it is just not my friend. Y'all can see how I look. I'm trying not to move so much, but I need to cook my food. Y'all, it's literally a mess in here and I don't feel good. So my ass ain't gonna be cleaning it up right now. But my jaw is so tired. I feel like somebody done uppercut me like 50 times on both sides and knocked my ass out. That's what I feel like. I don't know if it's because of my sinuses or what I'm gonna get ready to talk to y'all about soon. Let me take this wig off and let me eat, and then maybe I'll feel better after I eat, because I want to go get me a massage. I don't know, y'all. Let me cook. I'll see y'all later.
Baby, you should get to know me. Tapping into that good energy. In the mood for something carefree. Pour a drink, have a seat next to me. Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor. Why can't we just start the plan? No more holding back. Done with waiting, got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Like that, like that, yeah. Baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts, stop delaying. Got me feeling like a queen. Like your lady, will you love me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like?
Good morning, guys. I am up and at it. So I am at Burlington's and I am about to go in here and try and find some swimsuits or something. Usually I would order it from like Fashion Nova or Amazon or something, but it's literally last minute that I decided to not do my surgery and just take a vacation. So let's shop.
Every morning, every night, you and I, got no limit but the sky. We gon' light the fire. Every morning, every night, you and I, got no limit but the sky. We gon' light the fire. Light it up, light it up, light it up, baby. Stroboscope flashes, we dance in the party. Your face on mine, hands on mine. We shared one and I see it in your eyes. Sweeter than Cali and rum. Your body close to mine, gotta feel like you the one. Real shit, you the one. Baby, I'm worrying none. This burner through the speakers got us warmer than the sun. Every morning, every night, you and I, got no limit but the sky. We gon' light the fire. Every morning, every night, you and I, got no limit but the sky. We gon' light the fire. Now everybody rise up, right? Now everybody rise up, right? Come on and light the fire. Come on and light the fire. And through the fire, would you follow me? Through the ups and downs, if you're close to me, we can fight these demons that take hold of you and me. Yeah, that's where we're supposed to be. Every morning, every night, you and I, got no limit but the sky. We gon' light the fire. Every morning, every night, you and I, got no limit but the sky. We gon' light the fire.
Y'all look at them up there on the damn, what the fuck is you sitting right here for with this damn little bitty ass car? Go! Shit. Y'all look at them. Look. When Marley get back, since I ain't having my surgery, when Marley get back, we getting on these. Y'all see it? They on that thing. Yup. We going. So y'all look at me. I'm finally out of mine, and look at how I look. It's all right, I'm finna do my braids. So I'm at Five Below now, and I am about to get a charger cord. I need a charger and a battery pack. And I told myself I was gonna come in here and get nothing, and yet, and still I'm in here looking. Now we are at fucking Target. I'm just coming in here to get some perfume though. I already got plenty of swimsuits. I came and saw the Dream Moon, which is what they're saying is a dupe for Baccarat. I mean, it smells okay. I'm ready to go. I'm done.